tower man. Slap slam in tower man. I just need to take power man. Funny chillings with power man. That's how they all lit tower man. Then he always said tower man.
So since I'm in Malawi, I wanted to have a Malawi shandy so that I can say I've drank a Malawi shandy in Malawi.
I just need to take how am I? Drip me the first how am I? Pull up in the bed how am I? Stop shot my dick how am I?
Hello and welcome to my channel, Calnick. Thank you so much for stopping by. Love you long time. If I'm puffy, please bear with me. It is quite literally 6 a.m. I am in a bus, as you can see, and we are starting our journey to Malawi. We are going to Lilongwe, Malawi. I am visiting my friend Isabel. I will be there from today till next Sunday. Sunday is when I leave. And we are going to be going on some adventures and also just relaxing while exploring a new country and catching up with an old friend, a long-time friend. So I'm so happy. This is going to be a very long journey. It's 12 hours. I've never done this route before, so I'm not entirely sure what to expect in terms of the quality of the experience with this particular bus company, the road, how fast how fast the passport office processes. But it is a Sunday and I'm feeling blessed, I'm feeling happy, I'm grateful that I am adding a new country to my list of places that I've visited. I am so thankful to God for this opportunity to get some time off and also go and do something new, something different. My heart is full, I'm grateful, I'm blessed, and I hope you enjoy this Malawi vlog. Yeah, we just stamped our passports and we are now in Mozambique. I don't know why I didn't think that we go via Mozambique to get to Malawi, but now we're just waiting for the bus to cross the security checkpoint and then we get back on the bus and we proceed to wherever we proceed to next. It's been a long time since I did this kind of journey for the first time on my own, so this feels so new, but new in an exciting way. I need to figure out where to get a Malawi SIM card and change money. I'm now in Malawi after many hours in Mozambique. I'm getting a SIM card. This gentleman is putting it in my phone. Wow, what a long day, what a long journey, but I'm happy. Hi to the vlog! Welcome to Lilongwe. We just arrived. What's this? I just said KFC, but I wasn't actually thinking of anything. I'll have a crunch burger meal. So we just got to the B&B and I think I've showed you. It's like a little bed sitter, very cutesy. There's Wi-Fi, there's a TV. Unboxing her DJI Osmo Pocket 3. How does it feel?
Glory, glory.
Good morning vlog. Today is Monday. Today is Monday the 29th of September. It's somewhere around 25 past 10. We've been up. We just went to Isabel's mom's house to pick up some goodies. Have you tried to switch it on? The charging is fast. We can quickly charge it before we go if you want.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, on the itinerary for today, we've already bathed. I just hadn't brushed my teeth yet. But anyways, today's itinerary. Right now we're gonna go look for food. Then we're going on a city tour, which Isabel says is only gonna take an hour. And then we're going to the National Wildlife Center, and we're gonna do like a mini hike. And then we're gonna come back, freshen up, and then go to Latitude for dinner.
Yes.
Okay. It will be something filling since we're gonna go. Thank you. Not what I was done when people go up. Okay.
Some soldiers, they have a parade here, others they go up inside the tower
Okay.
to blow their trumpets,
Okay.
and before they go over there.
Interesting. Coming to Malawi, I really didn't know what to expect. With the nature of my character, I like to really research stuff well before doing anything, whether it being doing my hair, trying out a new, not food, or traveling. I like to know what I'm setting myself up for if possible, and I definitely went into a deep dive on Instagram, TikTok and YouTube, as well as Google actually, to see what Malawi and Lilongwe and Salima in particular would have to offer me. And it's safe to say neither one of those platforms did this place justice. Yes, I did find some videos, but they were very few and as informative as they could be. But I definitely am grateful for the fact that Isabel was around to show me Lilongwe and show me Salima, because I got to experience those cities, those towns from the perspective of a local. As for pricing, I know there are a lot of questions around how much money was spent on this trip. I went on this trip with a $400 budget, and I came back home with change. Bear in mind that every single accommodation expense was split into everything else I was covered. It is the end of our hike. At the beginning it said the trail was 4.8 kilometers, but my watch clocks 4.2. So we're now just taking pictures on the boardwalk. It was nice. It was really hot. What did we see? We saw impala. We saw pigs, wild pigs. We saw like those guinea fowls.
Yeah.
I saw a giant butterfly.
Yeah, there.
We didn't see a crocodile.
Is that a snake?
Where?
Yeah. Did you see that?
Where?
Oh, it's a squirrel. It's swimming.
Where?
There. Oh, in Nimlamba?
Oh, that's a snake. No? Or a giant fish? No?
It went underwater. There. Nimlamba?
We got to, there's a dam, literally like a little dam. There's people over there are filming a music video. Okay.
water reaches here.
Really? So usually you can't even come down this side. Yeah, that's all for now. Catch you later. It's still Monday. We are at Latitude. Exactly. We are here to have dinner. Thank you. It's chocolate fudge on the dessert menu.
So since I'm in Malawi, I wanted to have a Malawi shandy so that I can say I've drank a Malawi shandy in Malawi. The menu does not say Malawi shandy, but I'm just gonna ask anyways because they've got rock shandy, so surely they should have ordered a rock shandy, which actually just looks like what I know a Malawi shandy to look like. So I don't know. I guess a win is a win. We should do it.
So we've got, what's this? We've got the chicken tikka and fish tacos. Okay.
Some salsa.
Okay. I put both.
Yeah.
Looks nice, huh?
There's just actually there's something about the food in Malawi. The food here tastes so much better. It's giving in Malawi. It's giving. The girlies took leave and they are enjoying life. Exactly. Good morning, it's Tuesday and I'm obviously here with Isabel over there. We are getting ready to go to Salima, which is our next destination. In Salima we are going to a place called Senga Bay, which is right by Lake Malawi. So that is today's adventure. We just need to pick up some groceries because the place where we are staying, you can either bring your own food or you bring your own food or you bring your own food or they prepare food for you.
Bring your own food.
Okay, so we're bringing our own food, but then they also don't allow you to cook it. So the chefs there will we do burgers. Okay. So that's what we are getting ready for. My skin is looking juicy. I was filming content for face packs this morning. Yeah, so we're gonna do groceries, then we're gonna get on the road. It's about a 1.5 hour to 2 hour journey from Lilongwe to Salima. So that's what today is looking like. This is so beautiful. For the girls. I just want to say whoever is in charge of Malawi's PR is sleeping on the job.
Just employ me.
Exactly.
What's up on the time? What's up on the time? When I just
what my eyes are seeing. We have arrived at Casa Costantini.
Oh, I'm happy. Thank you, Isabel, for driving us safely.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Hello. Okay, we're now going to our room. So we're staying in a 2-bed cottage, right? Yes. 2-bed cottage. Each room is en suite. We are right by Lake Malawi, and we will be here till Thursday.
What the dog doing?
Seating area. So let's go to my room.
Hello, MTV. Welcome to my crib. I need to do a proper house tour. Oh my gosh. I have a little, what is this?
What the dog doing?
Okay, coming to. Wow! Oh! You know, it's giving.
That's the toilet. There you go.
Wow! You know that man. Oh, and this is like, let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. And that's extra towels. Whoever's managing Malawi's PR, I need to talk to you.
This is so cozy. Enjoy life. Just like here. Area. Oh, and you can come down here. So the water levels are quite high. Ah, we found the beach. Cottages. How are you guarding the place? Isabel's room. Gonna take us through.
It's just here. It's nothing more sticky.
Inside the bathroom
What the dog doing?
and then the shower. And then it's so hot. I'm literally like, I'm sweating. I'm about to change into a swimsuit. So they've got books. How do I open it? Oh wow. There's a collection of books. In case you want to read by the water, I've got books on my iPad though. This is the welcome note. And then if you come over to the kitchen, there's a cabinet with all the crockery and wait, okay, you need to open both sides. I don't wanna, but there you go. And if you head into the kitchen, there's your glasses and the toasters and everything. Then there's the kitchen here, which we do not use ourselves. They set up like the stuff that we bought, the groceries, they packed everything up. I'm sure that other stuff is in this fridge. Then in this fridge, did they put anything here? No, we just have our juice. So I'm dressed. I plan on swimming. I just want to find out if I can swim in the lake. So yeah, we are gonna go chill by the water. Let's go. Water so blue, so blue. So it's evening time, we're now waiting for dinner. We both showered. Turns out we were chilling in the lake and stuff, but there was actually a crocodile sighting about 10 days ago. So the owner encouraged us to just be careful. So we ended up leaving the water, but we had already spent a lot of time by the water and it was really nice. So we woke up at 5 o'clock in the name of seeing the sunrise. And then the sky said, who did you ask? I'm explaining how we made plans and the sky said, who did you ask? Good morning. Good morning. Look at the way Isabel's pajamas are moving. That's the wind. Yeah. It's been like this since last night. Last night it felt nice. We even had the door open whilst we were sitting in the lounge watching TV. It felt like a fan that was on like blast. Good morning. Yeah. Even the water is looking brown. I think it's moving a lot of sand. Yeah. I think if your body was light enough, the wind would definitely carry you. The way your pajamas are, Nyato. Let's see from here. There's a boardwalk here.
Sorry, because we don't have the list.
It's okay.
Yeah.
This is our breakfast spread. We've got eggs, potatoes. These potatoes are not the same as the potatoes we have at home, just so you know. Yeah. And some povoreni. Isabel says that these potatoes here taste better than the normal white potatoes that we have at home. She said the white potatoes have no flavor, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the juice
actually enhance the flavor
with like spices.
Spice, yeah.
Then we're having juice, sobo, which is Malawi's mazoe. Hi! We are done getting ready to go horse riding. I did some makeup. I'm not too happy with how it has turned out, but I think the ones are concealer. But this is how we are looking. I didn't do a great job with my eyebrows either. The lip liner is not sitting right, but hopefully I don't look crazy. I'm wearing this two-piece. It's a sports bra and pants, but the pants are really high-waisted and the top is just a normal top, so they can come together if they want. I'm wearing my sambas and some socks. That is the situation. We're just gonna quickly have lunch because by the time that we get back it'll be time to have dinner, so we'll probably be really hungry. So we're gonna have lunch, then head out horse riding. I hope you are enjoying this vlog. Please do like, subscribe, comment and share. We are really trying to grow this platform. I want to make it so that I can continue sharing fun and entertaining content, relaxing content that you can watch at home while you're working, in whatever situation that you prefer. So please do click that subscribe button. I appreciate you so much. I love you long time. Let's go. You're running after me. How long is the ride?
1 hour
1 hour. And we'll be going inside.
inside the bush. Have you ever been on a horse before, if I may ask?
I have.
I haven't.
But treat me like someone who's never.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is us after horse riding. Your review, Isabel?
It was good. I recommend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We saw quite a few things. What's the first one that I didn't see that you guys saw? Okay, we saw some animals. The coolest was one, we saw a fish eagle just chilling in a tree, and we also saw a giraffe, which happens to also be the only giraffe on the property right now because the other two that they had passed away. And this, he said that he's impressed that we even got to see it because this property is 3,000, he said 3,000 hectares. So he's like, what are the odds that you on a 3,000 hectare property see the only one giraffe that is there? So that was really cool. And yeah, overall it was a nice experience. I definitely enjoyed my. So open this first.
Yes.
Okay.
Looking for it.
Should I do a speech?
Oh, wow.
No, you know, what a time to be young. What a time to live life, experience new things, make memories, you know. So today we are going to make a toast to life, to youth, and to more money, so that we can afford to do nice things. Yay!
Cheers, my friend.
Twice!
Yeah, it is too frozen.
Really?
Kanga, this is a bobo.
We made it for the second sunrise. Kind of. Let me show you. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I see it. Right there. Right there. Right in front of us. You see where it's like. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, those clouds. They should move. It's at the bottom.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Good morning, Isabel.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm alright.
Looking lovely.
Thank you.
Looking like a holiday babe. So we are having our last meal here at Casa Costantini, and it's bittersweet, but we've had a really lovely time here. Checkout is at 11 and it's only 9:30, so technically we still have time. We're probably gonna chill, take some pictures. Yeah. And then leave when we actually have to. Hey friend, we are back in Lilongwe, Tafamba Moshe. No hiccups on the road whatsoever. We are now on the hunt for some lunch. What time is it even? It's 2 p.m. Hey friend, it is later on in the day. It's still Thursday. So the last time we spoke, we were eating. Then we went to Isabel's house and we saw her sister and her mom. Now we are having dinner at the Four Seasons. Yeah. Oh, there's ice cream. Do they close late?
Yeah.
I'd like some ice cream afterwards. Oh, there's a jazz lounge. What the helly? Okay, so this is actually where we're also coming tomorrow. We're coming tomorrow for what?
Arts paint.
We're coming here for art painting. Tonight we're here for... Okay. Taste buds have been converted. Vanilla ice cream will never taste the same after having honey. But here we are. They're also quite stingy with their scoops. Hey, this is tiny, very tiny. Good morning. It is Friday, the 3rd of October. I don't know if I showed you, but we're back in the B&B in Lilongwe. This is my OOTD. It's about come and do your OOTD. We are going to Four Seasons, La Cantina, and we might pass through a place called, what did you call it? Huh?
Beanies.
Beanies. No, the place that the guy was recommending, the new place.
Oh, River.
River. Apparently there's a new place called River. We might pass through. We'll see. But yeah, this is us stepping out for the first time today. We finally slept in. We were tired though, to be fair. I was tired. Let me speak for myself. I was really tired.
Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. I'm friending with me little. Come on.
Here.
It doesn't.
It's complicated.
It doesn't make sense.
We are back at the Four Seasons. This is where we had dinner last night. We've come from having lunch. Oh. Come from having lunch. And this is where Isabel used to work at some point in time.
I want one.
What's wrong? What are these
But I'm
earrings?
gonna wear it in, the problem is I'm gonna wear it in water.
Oh, this is so cute.
Right?
Would it break? I would want to wear it as an anklet.
It would probably break. It would.
Come on. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. Body lotion. Come you guys. And some mirror.
Ooh. I love this. Oh, what kind of material is this? This is cool. It's really cool. I love earrings so much. Oh my gosh, but these are so expensive. Look at these.
I just need to take how it marks. Drip, give it fresh, how it marks. Pull up in a Benz, how it marks. Slap my dick, how it marks. I just need to take how it marks. Funi to the drip, how it marks. That's how they all lit, how it marks. Then he always said, how it marks. I just need to take how it marks. Drip, give it fresh, how it marks. Pull up in a Benz, how it marks. Slap my dick, how it marks. I just need to take how it marks. Funi to the drip, how it marks. That's how they all lit, how it marks. Then he always rich, how it marks. I just need a food. Ay, pull up in a coat. Ay, all my niggas shoot. Balling on my loop. Like they really always tryna catch my drift.
So we just got to President Hotel to just drop something off. I'm not staying here. This is nice. This place gives like an executive hotel. Bumpers. If the okay, sorry, I have. We are now at La Cantina. We're here for dinner. To be honest, I'm high-key still full from lunch. But anyways, it's so packed. This place is popular like that. It's a Mexican food. It's a Mexican.
Can I have a straw as well?
I have different countries.
It's your birthday. And then when we went home, I was like, ah, so you broke your thing.
So Brady.
Yes.
We're doing the first bite together. Then I'm switching you off. Standard procedure. What did I order? Something to do with the chicken. Yeah, that.
They want some wings. It's nice. Oh. Like things like this. Oh. Good morning. It is Saturday morning. It's the last day, my last day. We are back at Bean. We're just gonna have breakfast. And today is a day full of errands. I was gonna do some souvenir shopping and then get ready to leave because I leave early. I leave at 5 a.m. sometime. Like, yeah, so that's what's going on. You're not on? It's fine. I'll just risk my life.
I just need to take.
Okay, I've been told not to speak from here onwards so that we can get some good prices for some stuff, some souvenirs. So this will just have music. Who's Isabel?
She's going to press a manifest.
Okay. Stuff that says Malawi because half the stuff looks like the stuff that you can get at home. Oh.
I just need to take power man. Funny to the sweet power man. That's how they only power man. Then you will say power man. I just need to take power man. Drip you be first power man. Pull up in the bed power man. Stop on my dick power man. I just need to take power man. Funny to the sweet power man. That's how they only power man.
That brings us to the end of this vlog. Anything that I do is now for me and my household. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, subscribe, comment, and if you made it to this part of the video, please comment with a Malawi flag. Thank you so much for watching. Love you long time. Bye.